Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going back into the Amazon tool deals, and we're going to be looking at tools that are either on sale, tools that even at their full price I believe to be good deals, or tools that I find to be interesting and would like your guys' opinion on if you guys have used them. First up is a great deal. This is a set that I actually have from Capri Tools, and I have it with the Westling aluminum organizer made in the USA. Fantastic organizer, one of my favorites. But Capri Tools released this maybe a year ago, and it is a fantastic impact socket set. So this is the 3/8 drive, shallow, semi-deep, and deep impact socket set. It's 8 to 22 millimeter, not skipping a size. It's a 45-piece set. This one specifically on Amazon has 4.5 stars at 36 ratings, so not a whole lot, but it hasn't been out long, and it's a fantastic set. I love the semi-deep sockets. I think it's a great addition, and with the Westling rail with it holds all of them, and there's some extra spaces as well, which is just fantastic. I can't say enough how impressed I have been with these sockets. Capri Tools, if you buy from their website, they have a points program if you sign up with them, and you basically get 5% in rewards with every purchase that you get, so you can use that 5% added up over time to purchase things from their website. But right now they have this set on sale on Amazon from $130 down to $116, so a savings of 11% or $14. And I think even at the full price it's fantastic, and I think the $116 is a great price, obviously. Here you can kind of see the depth of each. They are chromoly. They have that phosphate finish, 6-point wave drive. They are stamped and laser engraved, so you have both, so you don't have to worry about just that laser engraving wearing off over time or anything like that. You still have stamp sizing on it as well. So I've had my set for probably about 6 months and absolutely love it. Haven't had any issues with it. They've held up very well. I've used them quite a bit since I got them. I've specifically been trying to just use those here at home when working on the Camaro, and I really enjoy them. Here you can see 8 through 22, not skipping a size. And then, like I said, you can get this with the Westling rail organizer as well. So definitely a product that I wanted to mention to you guys. If you guys haven't tried out Capri Tools, I think they're at least worth trying. I think a lot of people would enjoy them, even if you're a DIYer or those getting into the professional field. I really think a lot of people would enjoy this. Next up, I have a couple of Ayers products. This is 70753-9, or maybe it's just 70753. It's a 9-piece extension bar set. So it's always handy to have extensions. I can't tell you how many times I've needed extensions and connected multiple extensions. So it's always handy to have more than just a few laying around. This is going to include 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive extensions. It's also going to include the magnetic organizer, which is really nice as well. I believe you can get these organizers just by themselves or with the extensions. Okay, yeah, here's just the extension organizer for $24. So you're basically getting the other extensions in all 3 drive sizes for $20 on top of it. So I figure if you're going to get the organizer, you might as well get the extensions that fit it for its needs, especially for just $20 more. So here you're going to get for 1/4 inch drive, you're going to get a 2-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch extension. For 3/8, you're going to get 3-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch extensions. And then for the 1/2 inch drive, you're going to get a 3, 5, and 10-inch extension. Here's just some of the information on it. It says it has powerful magnets, chrome vanadium steel, corrosion resistant. There you can see the sizes included. And just kind of a close-up. It does have knurling there at the base of the extension. Here's the magnetic organizer up close. The magnetic base on the organizer. Here they show it on the side of a toolbox where it's holding to the side of the box and holding the extensions. So this one, you're going to get the standard extensions in all 3 drive sizes for $44. And it has 4.5 stars at 476 ratings. And then you have the Ayers 70330, which is another 9-piece extension set. This is going to be their Wobble extension set in all 3 drive sizes. But this one is going to come in an EVA foam tray or organizer. So it's going to be a little bit cheaper, but you're getting Wobble extensions. Now, I'm not sure. It does look like they have a pretty decent base on them to where if you don't want to use the Wobble feature, it will hold in that non-Wobble feature, just standard extension configuration fairly well. So that is nice. I know some of the Wobble extensions available on the market don't have that square base, so it's just always on that Wobble feature. So it is nice to see that square base there and a good thickness of it, because some of them have a real thin base to where it doesn't really hold in that non-Wobble feature. So that is nice to see. So this one's going to be about $10 cheaper, but you're going to get the EVA foam organizer instead of the magnetic organizer, and you're going to get Wobble extensions instead of standard extensions. This one has 5 stars at 1,317 ratings at $35, not on sale. I think both sets are priced very well for what you're going to receive. I think having extensions on hand is always really nice to have. And here you can see the drive sizes: 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4 inch drive, the lengths that you're going to get there. There you can see insert all the way for no Wobble feature, and then insert halfway for the Wobble. Spring-loaded detent, knurling at the base, just like the other set. Here they are all laid out. So overall, I think they're both great sets to consider if you're looking for extensions, both affordable and handy to have. Next up is a gear wrench product. This is a product that I've had for, I don't know, a couple years now, and have been very pleased with it. I used to have the old Harbor Freight underhood light, and when I first got it, I had never had an underhood light before, so when I got that one, I was like, this is really nice, until I got this gear wrench one and realized how dim and horrible that Harbor Freight one was. For one, I couldn't use it while it was recharging. It didn't last very long as far as battery life. This light is a lot brighter, a lot more versatile, same, not just with the light, but with the mount as well. You can buy them individually. The price has really dropped since I got mine 2 years ago. It's just above $100. It's normally $114 right now, on sale for $107, so a savings of $7. 4.5 stars at 431 ratings, and I want to say I paid just above $150 for mine, so it's definitely came down quite a bit, and I would definitely recommend this. And there are a lot of underhood lights on the market now. When I was first looking at underhood lights, there was hardly anything available, and I definitely didn't want to go and spend $200 at the time or more for an underhood light. So this, I really like. The feet on the stand hold in place really well. They're rubberized, and then the entire mount between the feet rotates 360 degrees, and then the light can also rotate in different directions as well. It's a wing light, so it opens up. It's got an area light on it. It's got a directional light on it. It removes from the mount, and it's got a hook on it, so you can hook it on things. It's got a magnet on the base of the light, so you can use that magnet to place the light wherever you would like. It's very versatile, so here you can just kind of see it laid out with the wings open, the rack by itself, the hooks rotate. I mean, it is very versatile. And I would say when I first got it, I was getting close to 3 hours on the light before a recharge, and now I'm probably getting between 2 and 2.5 hours, and that's just, battery life just deteriorating over time. But it's done very well, and now with the price of this thing, I'm actually considering picking up another wing light. The other great thing is you can, if you wanted to, you could hang multiple on that aluminum rod, and you can slide them wherever you want on there. But the light has dropped drastically in price as well, and I'm considering picking up another one just so if one dies, I can throw the other one on there, or if for some reason I just want to put the sun underneath the hood on my car, I can really do that. So I think for $107, it's a great deal, but also keep in mind now there are so many underhood lights on the market, so don't think that you got to go get the cheapest one you can find. There are a lot with a reasonable price on it now. It's not either buy a $30 one or buy a $250 one. You have a lot that fall right in between there that I think a lot of people would really enjoy. So I did want to mention this one since it is on sale, and it's something that I have experience with. Next up is the Dewalt 20 volt max drywall cutting tool. So this is the tool only Delta Charlie Sierra 551 Bravo. It's got 4.5 stars at 3,602 ratings, so rated very highly. So this being the tool only, it is at $94, and most places, there are a couple other places other than Amazon where you will find it at that $100 price range, $95 to $100 price range, but Lowe's, Home Depot, any of the hardware stores have them around $150, and actually on Amazon you can get this tool with a battery and charger for $150. So it's definitely better right now. I've been finding better deals on Amazon than I have in the big hardware stores as far as this product. So if you're interested in a drywall cutting tool, I think this is a good price for one. The 20 volt lineup is what I run. I run Dewalt 20 volt and Milwaukee M12, and I love both of them. So I think this would be a good product. I think it's a good price. Let me know your guys' thoughts. If you guys have used this, please let me know your experience with it. This is going to be good for, cutting out any drywall holes, for putting in electrical outlets, installing recessed lighting, anything like that. So definitely a great tool to have if you do any of your own work at home. This can save you a lot of money than hiring somebody to install some things. So definitely a good tool to have if you do any home improvement stuff yourself. Okay, so last up is a Irwin Pliers set. This is an 8-piece set, 2078712. It has 5 stars at 2,736 ratings. It is down from $152 to $101, a savings of almost $51. And I have a couple of Irwin pliers, but I just thought this was a really good price for this set. You're getting 8 pairs of pliers, a roll pouch, and everything. At $101, you're roughly looking at around $12 to $13 per pair, which is a good deal. Especially you got the 3 tongue and groove pliers, the adjustable ones with the locking button. Then you have an adjustable wrench, lineman pliers, long nose pliers, slip joint pliers, and diagonal side cutters. So here you can just kind of see close up of the tongue and groove pliers with the locking mechanism, the adjustable wrench, diagonal side cutters. And it seems to be rated very highly, 5 stars once again at 2,736 ratings. Here you can see the sizes of all of the pliers included if you would like to pause and take a look at that. And some more information on each one. So that is it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If there are any brands or specific types of tools that you would like to see in future Amazon tool deal videos, please drop a comment down below of the brand or tool type that you would like to see, and I will do my best to try and keep my eye out for those deals on those specific types or brands. And I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Keep in mind all of these products and many others will be linked down in the description for you guys under the tools and tools continued link. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time.